Hello, this is Nancy, and welcome back to Nan's Next Knots. Today I have a special treat for you. I have a yarn haul from Songbird Yarn and Fibre. And here's their card. You guys really should go check it out. Look at the colors of her yarn. She dyes her yarns based on the colorway of songbirds. And each skein of bird-inspired yarn generates a $2 donation to Birds Canada for conservation and education. So you get pretty yarns and the birds get our help, a real win-win. So I'm going to start off by showing you a yarn that I got 2 years ago when I first started my channel. This yarn, she dyed based on the color of purple martins. Isn't that just gorgeous? This is a lace weight, 100% superwash merino. And here, let me read to you what it says about purple martins. Our largest swallows. Purple martins perform aerial acrobatics to snap up flying insects. Males are dark, glossy blue and purple. Nesting in apartment-style, man-made homes near water, they often depend on humans. At the end of the breeding season, they gather in big flocks and make their way to South America. Aren't those just gorgeous colors? So let me show you what my order is today that I received. This is based off the colorway of Blue Jays. Isn't that pretty? Look at those tonals. Okay, so this is a worsted weight, and there's 205 yards here. Blue Jay. These bold, loud, vivacious songbirds are common over most of eastern North America. They are mimics, often copying hawks and other birds. Blue jays migrate, but overwinter in harsh weather, visiting backyard feeders regularly. And I got 2 of those. Just gorgeous. Okay, up next, probably going to mess this one up, is a cerulean warbler. And look at these colors. I really hope that's showing up because this is just fabulous. The cerulean warbler are usually found high up in the tree canopy, but well worth the search. It helps to familiarize yourself with their buzzy ascending sounds so you know where to point your binoculars, minimizing a sore neck. These beauties migrate as far south as the Andes in South America, and their numbers are in decline due to habitat destruction of their winter grounds. And I got 2 of those. Now this next one is Cock of the Rock. Look at those gorgeous bright colors. I don't know if you could see the bird. This is also worsted weight, 100% superwash merino, 205 yards. The Garunan cock of the rock lives in northeastern South America. They feed on fruit, small snakes, and lizards. The males engage in lekking, hopefully I'm saying that right, to attract a mate. A strange ritual of dancing and singing in large group of males. Other species who lek are grouse, kakapos, and manakins. Look them up. They're very entertaining. So, there you are. I wanted to show you my yarn haul. Now, you need to really go look it up. They're such fabulous colors. Here again, Songbird Yarn Fibres. So there's my yarn haul that I wanted to show you, especially because not many know of this yarn source and the fabulous colorways. You just really got to go look. We'll see you next time on Nan's Next Knots.